even today, school children are growing up being told that we're the only inhabited planet in our solar system, but in fact our neighboring planet has been inhabited for eons just as ours has been. So I'm also speaking out for the cosmos and our role in it. So in the first part of my lecture, we're going to look at some of the people who were involved. I think this will sort of recast how time travel actually emerged, because it's people who are the catalysts for developments in society. So we're going to look at who some of those are. In the second part of my lecture, we're going to look at each of the technologies. What I can't show you visually, I will describe. In part 3, I'm going to answer the questions. It's often asked, I think that's to the credit of the people of the world. They're often asking me, why were children involved? And so I'll give the answers for that. I know what they are. On part 4, I'm going to describe some of the intelligence findings that were made using time travel, so I can reveal to you what the US government knew about the future by 1970. Now, I don't speak of time travel in this context. I speak of quantum access, because time travel implies physical relocation in the time-space continuum. But the project was just as interested in doing everything from remote viewing to chronovision to create either mental or holographic pictures of non-local events. So when we talk about time travel, we're really talking about, or gathering intelligence via time travel, we're really talking about quantum access, using advanced applications in quantum physics to either send people to a past or future event, or create a hologram or other rendering of what's going on at a distance in the time-space continuum.